Ya chini kuna to say ready. When sanche ne to be bibia. Eya wo dia wo ka ne bemu dia wo hye na china. Ready me ma hopes na adwuma wa ye nye kwa. Ready me nku na nimu ase. E ma na tamfo nya no.
Mo amani age amu nyina mu DJ amachi amani age amu DJ amachi no. Some of you people, you have been disrespect the man before. Ma who say maybe TikTok no mu ju wo mu jimi wo mo ho. But most of you people, ye greedy. Mo ye greedy. The man free MPP where niti. And mo ye greedy. Most of you people have been disrespect JM before. And then mo baba ya mo diabro ni bi. For people to see say you love the man. Mo ko pe be tira. You have disrespect the man before.
Abusia abatuwe ya yatu ewie de camera say surprises no dodo na na ekoso ewo internet ne so nipa ba ko a NPP elusu ye wobo sepa ene Empress Gifty adoye na ni sebo a wobo nyina ne say wo kire say ni kunu edi emia ye pa ewo NPP abam ne nyina nim say ni kunu ene NPP na ekọ na ekra na kosi say owura alanchemanten elusu ye say obabedi NPP enim na okote ne ho ekoye afafanto eno ene ma ni kunu no so edia NPP echidi ede ne ho ekobota alanchamantia na wonu nyina na enam a wo mo ehwe bom na after say yeto abane wie ma NPP elusi ewo mu no na Empress Gifty ababonten ababaye video wo say wo hwie na koma so ade edigu awurade anim na awurade nso eni na bro awurade enwu nanim ase awurade ahye wono ene ne kunu animonyam ama enne NPP etimi elusu abano eno na Ghana fo e kyerese osebo a Empress Gifty ebwe kwa wo mo ntina se firi say abano enye afafanto ene fine sika MPP awi ni a eno no okunu no osimu senti a oba bebo enije ewom na eno anso wa ye maame mama part so ababonten ababa react to video na Empress Gifty ye nse nyina ebe kaya na mama part afia hyase na se abano pomposo no eba no oba be kan se NPP entimi enni kunim nemom John Dramani Mahama na ebedi enkunim kosi ebra Reverend Usubempa ebe share enkom edema NDC na mama part eba abonten be ka se Usubempa commission NDC ebe lusu mo no so de support eko tie MPP fo achi ma na oye campaign de edema ye mampani ebe de Dr. Bawumia after say NPP elusi wie na mama part ababonten aba react to video a Empress Gifty na wo kire say obi a why na je say obefa NPP lose no ho ababonten abepim na kutia no ono mama part why ready e dey twen onipa kon ansa na be kwa video no me kai wo say aha too much subscribe my page na fe mi adoma no so say na be na upload bi aba on sanso ebetimi aka fe member if you say Dr. Abednego contact in the good screen as no betimi a friend for all your spiritual problems ebusia me anko say na Empress Gifty e kan nsam no isify any reaction na Agradaa so e de man
Ya chini kuna to say ready. When sanche ne to be bibia. Eya wo dia wo ka ne bemu dia wo hye na china. Ready me ma hopes na adwuma wa ye nye kwa. Ready me nku na nimu ase e ma na tamfo nya no. And God stepped in. And some people omujina in the gap. Honorable Alanchamatene ne yiri china mu lawyers akasie. Adechi ya homachi no mo frem so mo beji mi kunu atare. Let me tell you something. And the Lord spoke to me. Go and look for white dress for your husband. Na me call far white. Up and down, you know, Mr. Mudia Mopada, ye me kunu, Munsha, Taya, me kunu say, and I'm a dear Tare, and a better picture you so. Now me start to send me, but watch me. Now me see ratty. Mama, son shall be kunu watching. Men was any nation, a man, radiant good anymore, say, men go home anymore. One friend is so big good anymore. Hey, watch me. Watch me. Monsha, dear, me, pay me. All men in Guasian come me do. Those who laugh at Hobson, are you still laughing? Those who insulted him, are you still insulting him? Those who called him hopeless, are you still gonna call him hopeless? Those who said say he's good on your upia. Hopsi on your bia. Say Hopsi ni abeka ko pa ne chow. Ena ye baby ni dia enye ka ye lusu. Hey! Power ewo yanum. So Hopsi ni abeka ko fa ne dia. And that you couldn't catch them and say, baby, Relax. God will do his own thing. Ono no ye etu. Esi hene nyankopo. Oto yene si hene. Not the full frashing. What about some gospel musician sister? Bra. A comedy wa kwa. The patron me a politician. We shall not be a maker on umpa. Free her. No good if I corner. On Obama. Where no dia wushu channel. I had here. And then they are politics. Me a politician. Won't see us here. The whole gospel musician, me pen and me a politician. It's me, I am the madam. You me pen no son come myself. Who did be my favorite? Do you know what I have been through? I can't wear just as some gospel musician. I am not your regular gospel musician. You did not call me. God called me. Nyame wan frame me amao. It is a wusha will learn in a minimum. Free mo me come myself. Let me talk to people who are ready to listen. Shit. I am talking to your mind. Yes. We shall not call me and Kasa. You know what this man has gone through? For just social media. Google, your bohobs na do yedina. Or yes, man man crofo. And they were ungrateful to him. You know what he has gone through. Papa, we are when kuno hono. Now your boss said, Papa, wa wen kuno hono. Nyame will be Papa man. Leave this man and leave my family alone. You don't know what we've been through. Leave us alone. Hey, baby. Mwah. Baby, your wife, I love you. Mwah. You are my baby. Oh, Jesus, you don't know. Don't be a make social media. No, be say, maybe you be for me a bad luck. Hey. Ya ka wo ba wo so gina be ma chira me unya me seso da ya ka wo ba watai ni kunachi no matter what se bi wo ho se bi ni ho watai ni kunachi unya me seso da. I am a fighter. I am a woman of substance, and this man here has been my strength. My husband here has been my strength. Why am I pillar? Why am I? Hey! I told the Binami said, "Dem na mi suwa." Now about some mama. Ebe ye watching. Mama, ebe ye. Mama, what ye ebe ye? What ye you weni? I shall no bits one no di mi kunatem. Oba mi kun ne dada. Mi kun ne dada. Ni asi sheduma ne di mi kunu. Ni dia shapa pay. Me nyo ba me ye nyasafuo. Me nyo ba. Me ti ni amase. Na me ti nipa mra o yase a. Ka me ye so sa wale we kwa ka me ti ho. But this man here, I get of here. Mushia na mo nana semame. He has been everything that a woman needs and has suffered. This man has gone through humiliation. This man, this man, he has suffered. But I know, baby, I was sorry, I'm not sending him crying. I was sending him crying, I was sorry, no more. Why do I say, Mama? Me, Mama, Buddha. Me say I support you. Every woman needs a supportive husband. Every man needs a supportive wife. Me na me catch up. Hey, Yadwa. Hey. What bread? Baby. What bread? I suffer a solitude and mikun. I suffer a fan for so a woman mikun. This that this man has gone through, you guys will cry for him. Hobson, you made a check, Ghana. Hobson, you'll be to me, no was say papa when only when young four way say, no, be a son, so you pasia. Hey, Obi to me, say no, watch you hopeless. You call this man hopeless. You hopeless, or the aye, Jumano, or the aye, Jumano, why a Jumano, or Shamobo. Where deliver, or Shamoba, where deliver, or Shamoba, or deliver, or Shamoba, where deliver, where deliver DHL. Hey, You are the mommy, you are the mommy. I mean, that papa will ask you. God bless you. Hosting Yavia Doye, Nami won't shrap. Nami shrap ya would do sabe kepia. Minyango po when you can see. I gave you a washing years, CP, I gave you a free one, sir. A year will fame, a mania will fame. At a tear will fame. A mania. I was saying, me couldn't too free, me couldn't tifie, because he has a channel. And conform monetano. Or a gun in you. And this man has fought. Wako. God bless you. God bless you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me. Nyankupo Israel. Agaga Nyankupo Israel. I say, what more can say? Me bad luck, and then on because I Empress Israel. Or more can say, me buy a do a human free one some. Me buy a what bread. Me buy wood who says so be muna say. Me buy you. Now last way would do say so much say. Hey! Yamishra wati. Aide. Achi a big boy. Yamishra. My prophet. My hero. My joy. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. You have suffered. You have suffered. And it's time for God to compensate you. You have suffered. What bread? What bread? But God will never disgrace you. Nyame obe sewa tarifita. Nyame be sewa ni nyam. Ade a wo hwe nyina abo years nyame be se dia maw. Onse nyame be shiraw. Eh? We should have be fe. Wo so dia wudi nti wo cha ade akra wo nwe ho. Adoye. Adoye ya mi adoye. Adoye. Me ku ekita ne last crowd de be che. Ka say hit. Me ku se kita na. Or the best chow bonsi. Throw hits, man. I didn't agree. Throw hits. Hey, 1.4. Throw hits. My baby, I bet of it. We see me, I see me loud. Aye, or boy, you're loud, young Waleno. But I know boy, you're loud, no, which you know what she. Woba, you're loud, no, which you know what she. Hey, maybe we have a story to say. Yee! You want some car? Maybe you want some car. You want some car. You want some car. You want some car. Me na kupo Israel. Nyame Israel wati. What bread? Hey! What bread you have suffered, and God will compensate you. Yeah! Me excellency bako. Yeah. Hey. Jesus. Onimonya for to say we say. Because of our selfish interest. And also because of ube ye no when you break and kind soon fine wo wumuniti. And nothing na worry no. God damn it. And now the band the basi. Ay, madoma yesa sh. What do I am the basi? Because of our selfish interest. 7 years. What is the selfishness in this? There is power in the name of God. Because of selfish interest. Selfish interest. You've enjoyed selfish interest for 7 years. Do you know what this man has gone through? Because of selfish interest. Hey, free me. Satan, free me, page in the circle. Hansen. I should show. Ayawiya. I didn't show. Mary, let me answer them. I have harbored this in me for 7 years. Let me answer them. They will take it one by one. And then remember Wotowoto. Someone na mo ba, munim na mo endi mu lemu. Ants na mo pages wo. Na mo trespassing. And by my mother side had me say. Say the message say to mama. 10 Thank you. Me a home. That is, you don't like me, don't come to my page. Embaha Hobson. Me a Mrs. Hobson Azor. Mrs. Azor. Father Dixie. Father Dixie. Yeah. I won't mind them, Mary. I won't mind them. I won't mind them. I'm going to TikTok. I won't mind them. I won't mind them. Musi way. On your bia. Why you bia mobi? What's up, Baggy? Gifty, come to TikTok. My favorite. I heard that. Make a TikTok. Why? Me da masim.
Some of you people, you have been disrespect the man before. Mausa maybe TikTok no mu ju wo mu jimi wo mo. But most of you people, you greedy. You greedy. The man free MPP where niti and you greedy. Most of you people have been disrespect JM before. And then I'm for people to see say you love the man. You have disrespect the man before. JM ubeje ni mgwase wa my Ghana ni mu nyina no eye mumu bi mu kunu no mo ansem omu gina simpie so e kafa JM ho. What I say enye nnena de mu kwa pedie no manya nie no ena mo ba be yem ho dua broni be pretend mo ho to behave for it to look say you love JM. Me kind of crack them praying. Mo gina simpie so kansam ya won crofo bi o makotena social media edwu wo mo ho mo kunu mu be gina simpie so aka kire JM say wo ye korinsani awa bra mu nim say JM enye korinsani mo nsem dia mo kan to disgrace the man eno na papa no what na position be see ne o eti enye na papa na wi ni no ena mo ba betena se abebrebri moni ase se baifuo mo ba bebrebri moni ase se baifuo a wachi obi ba we abebrebri moni ase for it to look say you love JM. You people should shut up and go and sit somewhere. What was here? Muchina simpie so gu JM animu ase. Obi papa o onimu sanum ba mo be jab wonte so ye korinsani all because mo fru de mo be de nti and I apam mo free mo party mo so and then mo be brebri mo ni ase for it to look say mo dodon Germany mahama mo ko pa ba bi ntena mo kona mo ko go and find somewhere to sit. Go and find somewhere to sit. On mine na atu aba and o ma tusu se de o mo panie. And so someone yama be a buyer no ya papa mo MPP for bebre o man tie sunsun mo nsam no e ho ne de every mistake no onipa kono o se powerful kwa woman every mistake no next time any prophecy be be fra ba bia because everybody o fa ponko mu kasa ye no say everybody no timi use wo bia eti enye ne a JM awini no and a bayfo ma bi be yo buti hu atutuo akotena TikTok abetena Facebook for it to look say they love JM Debbie. So many years. And then I'm about pretenders. And then I'm about pretending for people to know say you love him. Shan someone who can do good so. Shan someone who can do and the JM are worrying 4 years. But a young mubi, most someone who can go JM soa. Can a JM go with more than 8 years? Can a JM go with more than 8 years? Mumu bi mu kunu mu nsem mu kunu ma brabo boni a omo boy ma police for che wo no eno na ye mumu bi ya and you are trying say wo kunu di boni ya che no eti chi a ya chi ni no you are running from where you are ebe bobo JM abaso and somebody mo anka ngu JM so and mguasia be ni mo ngu JM tama ye ni mu bi ya shade ma ye bompa ya yesu no tama ye ni mu bi JM nti ni ye ngu ye nyuma. Yes, say ye japade no. You people were happy. You people were jubilating.
En sebusia sa video si mienu na mede ababeso mo no mekai wo se o ma remfi na waja wo comment e wo video yi ase e de ma na afi wa subscribe de ma page wi e too much gh na kai na fa ba wo ne ka ho se na e be ye na upload bi aba onsa e betimi aka all the social media handles so ko wa e too much gh ya kai se o be like wo ho na wa share so e de ama me makra